It's hard to explain, but the moment you turn the key, the world fades out. There's just the engine, the road, and you. It's not just transportation, it's more like transformation when what you become when driving a car that you love. We don't fall in love with cars because they make sense. We fall in love with how they make us feel. The late night drives, when everything just feels right. The sound that gives you the chills, the first time you hit the throttle and your heart skips a beat. I think they remind us of childhood dreams, posters on the wall, that one matchbox car we have never let go of. I think they are our escape, our joy, and even our therapy. For me, it's this car, the Abarth 595. It's tiny, it's loud, and it's full of character. It's not the fastest, not the flashiest, but it is alive. Every gear change, every pop, every corner, I swear it talks to me. When I drive it, everything else disappears. No meetings, no stress, no noise. Just the road, me, and the car. I think it's not just a car, it's a part of who I am. If you ever looked back at your car after parking it, you get it. If your heart beats faster in tunnels, you get it. If you know the joy of an early morning start, an empty road, and a full tank, you get it. We love cars because they remind us that life isn't just about getting from A to B. It's about the journey, the moments in between, the stories only we understand. And with a car, you can get all of the enjoyment. So yeah, this is why we love cars. And if you do too, well, welcome to the ride. See you in the next one.